Welcome back to today's video. We are going to be covering how to buy coins on KuCoin. I'm going to show you guys how to buy any coin, how to find that certain coin if you're going to buy it on KuCoin. I do like KuCoin because they have so many different coins. They also allow you to use 10x leverage, but I'm going to show you how to find a coin if it is on KuCoin. So what you want to do is actually head over to CoinGecko and you're just going to look up your coin. In this case, I'm going to do VXV, Vector Space AI. If you guys haven't seen that video, I am going to post it at the end so you guys can watch it. I highly recommend it. VXV is a great opportunity. You want to scroll all the way down until you see the exchanges and you can see that KuCoin is on there. So whatever coin that you're looking to buy, go ahead and do that and you should be able to see that. Sorry, my dog. We're going to first head over to Coinbase and we are going to go ahead and look at my portfolio and we can see that we have Tether. Now I've already sent money over, but I'm going to be doing this $10 for an example. Go ahead and click on Tether and then click on this Tether and then it says $9.79 and it shows you the amount of Tether that you have. Go ahead and click that and then click the little arrow button in the top right corner and click max or however much you want, continue. And then what you're going to do is go over to KuCoin. Now, what you want to do is deposit Tether. Now, you want to copy this address. And remember E4, E6. Now, copy address. Go back to Coinbase and paste it. Now, we have E4, E6. We can preview send. The minimum amount is 13 USD, but I've already sent that money over. So go ahead. Once that's over in KuCoin, let's head right over to KuCoin. Now it's first going to show up in this main trading or this main account. What you want to do is transfer and then click USDT and then switch it to your trading account. I can't hit confirm because I've already done that, but you want to hit confirm and get it into your trading account. Once you do that, you're going to go back over to markets and look up VXV USDT, excuse me. You can click buy. Make sure it's set at you can set it at a limit order or a market order. I personally use market orders because I'm not trying to enter the market at a good time. I'm just looking to buy an average in. I'm going to go ahead and go in with 100% and click buy VXV. Now you're going to have to set a trading password. So go ahead and set that up. It's a 6-digit code and I'll be right back with you. Now once you have that enabled, you just click buy VXV. Go ahead and type in your trading password and your order has been placed and you have successfully bought VXV. And now go ahead and go over to your assets, reload it, go over to trading, and it should pop up with the amount of VXV that you have. I know this is a short video, but I wanted to get this out to you guys. It's very simple. You can do this with any coin. Now, what you could do to save some gas fees is actually use XLM, send over XLM from Coinbase over to Tether, and you can do it that way. And then you're gonna have to transfer that XLM to Tether back to VXV. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. It's free. You can always change your mind, and I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Go ahead and watch that video on VXV because I highly recommend it. It is one of the best cryptos to buy right now. The utility is crazy. When Bitcoin drops and the bear market drops, I think that this will not move as much with the market. People are going to be pumping it in because of the utility, because it has such a low coin supply at 50 million, only 50 million. Bitcoin has 21 million. So that is very scarce. And thank you guys so much. I will see you in the next one. Peace.